My name is Samuel Horsch. I'm with Quandela for the last 2.5 years, and before that I was studying mathematics and physics at the University of Glasgow in Scotland, where I lived for 5 years. So my job at Quandela is very varied. I originally started in the algorithms team, where I was working on applications and developing use cases for quantum computing. And in the last 1.5 years I've transitioned from the more technical role into a hybrid role, where I'm now supporting the business team, and the sales team is a bridge between technical expertise, technical capabilities, and making it available to our customers, to our clients, to really make quantum computing accessible for everyone. When I joined the company, I was very happily, positively surprised of how much of a research environment, learning environment it was. In the first, I think, 3 months of working at Quandela, I described my job as being at university but not having exams and getting paid. Working at Quandela was the combination of a tech role and still being connected to my passion of physics and mathematics, but doing it not in academia but in a startup environment. And again, there also very important for me was that working in a startup, in a smaller organization where it's still very dynamic, where I can still shape the organization with my actions. We are really not about trying to hype up any lies about quantum computing or any potential which might not be there. And I'm very happy that every time I talk to my colleagues or anyone in the company, it's all about being very sure of what we're saying is correct scientifically, and to make sure that we are not overselling anything. And now that Quandela is scaling up, more and more processes are building, but it's still a place where an organization is finding its structure, and that combined with this new area of quantum computing is a very, very unique situation. But when I joined Quandela, one of the thoughts was that, okay, now I'm joining this kind of transformation of quantum technologies in the world, and even if I don't join Quandela for the rest of my life, can go look back in 50 years and be like, I was there at the beginning. I need to be always up to date on what is the current setup in our lab. So this is really one of the things I love the most about my role. For a candidate of joining Quandela, I would say I really welcome you here. I think one of the extra things which I've not mentioned so far is that the work environment, the colleagues I'm having here, or you will be having here, this is an extra asset.